All right, boys and girls, welcome back. Today is Tuesday, April 21st, 2020, and it's time for our expository nonfiction reading, which means it's not fake, it's real. So it says warm-up number 2. Okay, at the bottom here, on the other one, see daily warm-ups, nonfiction reading. We usually call them expository warm-ups, okay? We read the passage, and then we go through and we highlight with our fun highlighter. You can do it with your yellow marker that Mrs. Bennett just bought for you, okay? And we're going to go through and highlight, and then we'll find the answers and circle the answer that best answers the question. All right, here we go. You and the rhino. You and the rhino. And there's a rhino right there. Rhino is short for rhinoceros. A rhino is a big beast. A rhino is a big beast. It has horns. Its horns are on its head. Its horns are on its head. You are a small person. You got it. Person. You are a small person. You do not have horns. You do not have horns. Yet you and the rhino have something in common. Yet you and the rhino have something in common. That means you guys have something is the same. You both have something that is the same. What can it be? Most animal horns are hard on the outside. Most animal horns are hard on the outside. They are softer on the inside. They are softer on the inside. A rhino's horns are not the same as other good animals' horns. A rhino's horns are not the same as other animals' horns. A rhino's horns are hard on the outside. A rhino's horns are hard on the outside. They are hard on the inside too. They are hard on the inside too. So a rhino's horns are hard on the outside. That's normal. They are hard on the inside too. Weird. The horns are made of keratin, and we pronounce it keratin, okay? Keratin. Keratin is what your fingernails are made of. Keratin is what your fingernails are made of. If your fingernails fall off, they grow back. If your fingernails fall off, they grow back. If a rhino's horn gets knocked off, it grows back. If a rhino's horn gets knocked off, it grows back. Maybe that's why they fight so much. I'd always see rhinos fighting each other, and it even bleeds a little bit right there. Ooh, they lock horns, they hit each other, and they love to fight each other and butt heads. All right, one more time all the way through. A rhino is a big beast. It has horns. Its horns are on its head. You are a small person. You do not have horns. Yet you and the rhino have something in common. Something is the same. What can it be? Most animal horns are hard on the outside. They are softer on the inside. A rhino's horns are not the same as other animals' horns. A rhino's horns are hard on the outside. They are hard on the inside too. The horns are made of keratin. Keratin is what your fingernails are made of. If your fingernails fall off, they grow back. If a rhino's horn gets knocked off, it grows back, just like your fingernails. Number 1, what is a rhino's horn made of? What is a rhino's horn made of? Oh, let's see. I'm looking for these words right here. Found it. The horns are made of ding, 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 keratin. The horns, going to highlight there, the horns are made of keratin. There's that word right there. If you want to just highlight it in the word choices, you can also do that. We have bone, keratin, stripes, or fingernails. Remember, text evidence means I prove my answers with words or pictures. Okay? All right, number 2. How is a rhino's horn different from most animals' horns? How is a rhino's horn different from most animals' horns? It is hard on the inside. It is soft on the inside. It is hard on the outside. It is soft on the outside. Ooh, we have to really pay attention. Okay. Most animal horns are hard on the outside. They are softer on the inside. A rhino's horns are not the same as other animal horns. A rhino's horns are hard on the outside. Okay. They are hard on the inside too. Right there. That's the part that's different. Right there. A rhino's horns, they are hard on the inside too. We usually just highlight in there, but I'm just having fun and we're highlighting on the actual questions too, okay? Usually we just fill in the bubble and highlight there, but we're home. We'll have some fun highlighting, okay? All right. From the story, you can tell that rhinos have fingernails, rhinos fight with their horns, rhinos use their horns to dig, or rhinos have had their horns knocked off. Does it say that they have fingernails? No, it says keratin is what your fingernails are made of, so it's not that choice. Rhinos fight with their horns? Well, I talked about it, but that wasn't in the story, okay? It does not say that in the story. Rhinos use their horns to dig. Well, they could. They're kind of pointy, but it doesn't say that in the story. Rhinos have had their horns knocked off, okay? If a rhino's horn gets knocked off, it grows back. So whoever wrote this story has evidence they can prove. They've seen it happen. They've seen a rhino's horn get knocked off. If a rhino's horn gets knocked off, it grows back. Choice D. And go ahead and pause the screenshot and use that for your answer key. All right, we'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye-bye.